All right, y'all, spring break, weddings, or even just a weekend away, peak travel season is just around the corner.
And before you hit the road, Shop Today contributor Chassie Post is here with some must-have items for your next trip. So scan that QR code below to shop, because I already did, and I bought 2 things already.
Chassie, how are you?
I'm great, and thank you guys for having me. I gotta say, we're starting with sort of the must-have when you travel. Everybody needs a travel scarf.
It's true, you get cold on the airplane.
And it looks effortlessly stylish, but this one here you can use in like 40 different ways.
Wow.
You can use it as a scarf.
Right.
You can use it as a shawl. You can use it as a blanket on the plane.
What?
You can even use this one as a sarong on the beach, because
Ooh.
it's fabric.
Cotton.
Yes, and it's got this
And
great
I
stretch.
love that you can wash it.
Yes, you can wash it.
Yeah, which is great.
And guess what? It has built-in SPF material, so it's UPF 50.
Oh, so
it'll
it's
keep you
actually kind of
protected.
mint.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
and
need
so,
this.
Right, so $29, and it comes in 10 different colors. So this is a no-brainer for
Cute.
travel.
Okay,
Adorable.
let's talk about this little phone
I've
accessory.
been seeing these all over the place.
Me too.
Have y'all ever had trouble keeping up with your phones while traveling?
What about just while living?
Yeah, I just want to lose mine when I travel.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is such a perfect thing. So this is from a brand called Casemate, and so they're these little chain crossbodies. So you just put them on, and suddenly, hands-free, and your phone looks like a fabulous
You know what?
accessory.
I just got back from Disney World for a park.
You could have
or a
used
concert.
this.
Great.
Yes.
And if you have a little wallet back here, you just have your
It'd be
on your
perfect.
person. Yeah.
And you know, people
So
are
smart.
stealing things at festivals now.
Yeah.
This could keep it really handy.
Keeps it handy and stylish. It looks like a fabulous accessory.
cute.
Yeah.
How much are these?
They're around $30, and they come in all sorts of different chains. I love this high-end designer
No.
chain vibe.
Yeah.
The tortoise?
Right?
The tortoise
The
shell?
tortoise?
Yes.
This
The
is
lavender?
great.
I know. So this is, I just think it's a great
This is
solution.
an Easter gift right here.
Let's talk about packing
Yeah, so we
cubes.
were discussing, do you guys use the packing cube?
This is a hot topic here.
It is, right? So if you don't, we have some evidence here, a before and after on this video. Without packing cubes and with. Look at that organization.
Wow.
I need to start using these.
Yeah.
And you can pack a lot more into your bag.
And we were also saying to unpack, it's so
Yes,
easy.
Exactly. If you were really organized, you could just leave things in different
Exactly.
packs. So this comes in a pack of 8. You've got 4 different size packing cubes. You've got a hanging little toiletry bag, which is key. A shoe bag, so your shoes don't
get all nasty.
Yes.
And they're universal for
Yeah.
every luggage.
Absolutely. They fit in everything. You've even got a laundry bag and more. So just $22. So I think those are great.
Okay, I feel like these have been
Okay.
around forever.
Yes.
And by the
These
way,
are-
I have them.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay. So
I kind of remember you bringing these
Yes.
in.
Yes,
No, these are amazing.
The Elizabeth Arden Brightening and Spot Correcting Capsules. So here's what I love about these. So it's a drama to bring your skincare with you on a plane, because you either have to check your bag.
Are they open halfway through the flight?
And TSA, no, wait, nobody's stopping me with these little capsules here,
Yes.
because you can throw them in your bag. And how soft does your
Feels
skin
amazing.
feel?
It's
You love
phenomenal.
this?
I love these.
Yes, these are great. And
But
guess
they
what?
come in gold, too. Are they 2 different products?
No, those are another brand, but they're same.
Yeah, but these have this beautiful soft serum, and guess what? We're getting an exclusive discount, 25% off just for today's show viewers.
it.
Isn't that great?
That's wonderful.
So normally they're $99, now $70, around $74.
And by the way, great for the gym. Like when you get out of the
that's so
shower
great.
at the
Yes.
gym, this is the thing
we
you need.
love Elizabeth Arden.
Who knew we
Okay.
needed this?
Okay, this I love so much. So this is a hot tool storage bag, but guess what?
What?
It's got a built-in heat-resistant mat. So when you're traveling, you roll that out so you don't burn your countertop.
Yeah.
But here's my favorite part. Have you ever used your curling iron? It's time to go.
Yes.
It's still hot,
Yes.
right? Well, guess what you can do?
Leave it on there.
You can take it and you can roll it in the heat-resistant part.
Oh, and it
throw it in your
turns
bag.
off. Okay,
whether
finally,
it's hot.
not to
okay,
rush you,
last
but
but
we
not
need
least.
travel
Okay, that's
mirror.
surgery to do a lot. Travel mirror. This is so great because it's got a little light all the way around, one-time magnification, so you can see what you're doing.
Yeah.
And it's thin.
Yeah,
Tiny.
easy, not
Look
heavy.
At this.
Not
it's
heavy.
rechargeable. It's cordless, and
Chassie.
it's $18.
Oh, wow. That's a
I
great
know,
gift.
great.
Chassie, thank you so much. To
Thank
shop
y'all.
these travel favorites, headtoday.com/shop.